Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can summarize any book using ChatGPT. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open ChatGPT, and here you need to write, can you summarize Rich Dad, Poor Dad for me? And here you can see that ChatGPT start summarizing the book. So it will take few seconds to summarize the book, but if you want any specific chapter you can write, can you summarize third chapter for me? And here you can see that it will start summarizing the third chapter for you. So this is a simple process by which you can summarize any book using ChatGPT. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.